Now going back to an earlier story, as we told you, Jamaica's national senior women's team have settled into a new camp as they look to shake off Sunday's disappointing start at the FIFA Women's World Cup when they face Italy. That's on Friday. Now Karen Madden reports reports from France.
Monday's session with members of Sunday's substitute bench gave the technical staff an opportunity to look at some other players as the Reggae Girls maintained their focus of advancing to the round of 16. Despite Sunday's 3-0 defeat to 10th ranked Brazil, there were areas that the coaching staff was pleased with. The team put up a fighting performance to ensure they were not embarrassed, but assistant coach Lorne Donaldson says changes will have to be made to Friday's starting 11.
The girls who didn't play, we just want to get their feet on the ball, get some touches, but we just work on a few tactical stuff that we still poor at. And after the game yesterday, there will be a few changes, so players have to get ready.
Speaking with TVJ Sports immediately after Sunday's loss, star striker Khadija Bunny Shaw expressed confidence the team could rebound.
I think we need to be more disciplined defensively. We when we're attack, you can see that we potentially can create stuff up top, but I feel like defensively we need to, be more compact and disciplined, and once we get that, then we can just push forward.
Coach Donaldson agrees with her.
No, we're fine. I just think, the moment just got to us, and that happened. It's a young team, and it's a learning experience, and then we have to just put that behind us and come out ready to play. Well, obviously, we need to get something out of the game, so we have to make some adjustments and some changes, and, hopefully, and we will actually defend better because we were very poor yesterday. But yeah, see, we're not going to come out the same way. We're going to come out maybe with a different look.
The Reggae Girls will face Italy, who are locked on 3 points with Brazil, though with an inferior goal difference on Friday in Reims. Reporting from the FIFA Women's World Cup in France, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup Report